Welcome to Wise Beyond Bitcoin, where you come for the crypto neo news, education, and opportunities. My name is Lucas, and this is another educational opportunity. Well, education that will lead to opportunities, and a follow-up in our tutorial series, How to Start Your Crypto Journey. This is another episode on wrapping into the secret network. So how to take a digital asset, Luna in particular, off the IBC into the secret network channels so that you can take that Luna and move it in the privacy area of the blockchain, supporting DeFi protocols in ways that you can earn rewards with that. So we'll go into that. Also, if you're just getting started, of course, we have a how to start your secret crypto journey, how to download a Keplr wallet, stake, send, receive, swap, all that good stuff. If you haven't heard secret NFTs, we've got secret NFTs, latest and greatest. NFTs on the secret blockchain are unique and different and an innovation unlike anything else in crypto. So once you start understanding that, you'll see that it's very, very early and the use cases are just beginning to be understood. What else do we have? Validators, staking, and value added. Well, of course, when you stake on the IBC, whether it's Secret, Luna, Cosmos, Juno, Osmosis, there are some great staking rewards for securing the network and locking it up. Of course, there's 21-day unbonding periods, but that's proof of stake, that's security, and that's what allows these dApps and these protocols to function. And that's why you're going to want to take a look at the validators, staking, and value added, because the validators do more than just give you your rewards, right? You can read their commissions and see which one you'd like to pick on commission rate, but many of those validators are building wallets, they're building value, they're building metaverse games, they're giving back airdrops. So if you do a little bit of research, then you might find a validator that will add some extra value back into your crypto wallet. Okay, so speaking of research, you're going to do your own research because I make mistakes all the time. That's how I learn, and it happens. So do your own research to be your own bank. I'm just sharing what I see as I see it, a little bit of research, some perspectives, hopefully to help you find some opportunities and value, because that's the purpose, is to look at the macro outlook and what's going to be around for a while and be innovative, creative destruction, adding value and new efficiencies and opportunities in the world. That's why we take Wise Beyond Bitcoin macro outlook. Often you'll have Ryan come in at least once a week, if not more, talking about the Fed, what's going on in the world and the economy at large, and how it impacts what's going on in the world of blockchain and the possible potential tail end distributions and black swans and polka dot swans and those things that may or may not happen. We also talk about all these other things going on, crypto secrets revealed, because there's more than NFTs. There's more than just getting started in staking. There's actually the most exciting applications, in my opinion. That's my opinion. In my opinion, these are the most exciting applications. Go look on other blockchains and see who has a private messaging service, who's building out a data file service on a private blockchain where people can keep medical records and other data private and still be able to release it when they'd like to. So, the possibilities are, not endless, but so far out there. I mean, for lack of a better term, let's just say the possibilities are almost endless. All right. Now, that's an intro. None of this is marital advice, financial advice, legal advice, commercial advice, medical advice. It is educational, entertainment, information. So hopefully you get some entertainment and some education. It helps you along your way. Sometimes I'm like the Watson and Sherlock Holmes. I make a great point often, but I'm wrong. And so if I get you there some way or another, great. And if I get there by 777, getting it right, good too. That's great too. We'll find one way or the other. All right. So one thing is, one of my validators that I've already done a video on and saw it, they said, thank you very much. That was a great video. Chain of Secrets. None of this work is sponsored. Just talk about the projects that we support, enjoy, or interested in learning more about, and feel that they have a value, a service, a utility that they're bringing to the tech, to blockchain. And that means that being said, this organization reached out and they said, well, if we send you a little bit of Luna, would you show the community and add to your educational content how to swap Luna on the wrapper? And I will say that it has been a learning experience, which is why I do this first, so that I can figure these things out before, because a lot of these interfaces are new, and learning how to navigate them will save you a lot of time and grief. I would absolutely, with the time that's gone into this and what is sent, which you will see in full transparency, I don't see that this is I don't consider this a sponsored video. I do accept tips and expressions of gratitude, but I will continue to talk about the projects, protocols that I'm interested in, that I want to learn, and be open to that. So no sponsors there, but what do we have? We have the wrap secret.network. So if you're going to wrap Luna, you have Luna and you want to come over to the secret network. Why would you want to come over to the secret network? Well, for a couple of reasons. One, you can take a portion of your Luna and you can operate it on DeFi protocols that are on the secret network. Two, with those DeFi protocols, if you so choose, and you wrap it to S Luna, you can operate and transact on protocols that people in the public cannot track and follow. That's one of the beautiful benefits of having a smart contract platform that's privacy by default, is that you can have certain security. There's a certain efficiency that you cannot have on the other public blockchains. For example, there are AMMs, DEXs that are built that absolutely prevent front running. So there's a huge efficiency gain now that benefits people when you prevent that undercutting, that outbidding the front running by having access to the trade information, the exchanges on a ledger, and being able to act on it before others. That's just one of many. Now, before you can move into privacy, you have to take Luna onto the secret chain first, and then you have to wrap it. We're going to show you to do that. Now, if you have Luna, you most likely have it on a Terra Station wallet. That's the wallet you most likely have it on. So if you don't have it on a Terra Station wallet and you intend to have your own Terra Station wallet to control your own keys in your own Luna and move it from a centralized exchange, if that's where it is, I will leave all these links below. And this is a link to the Terra Station wallet that Chrome, Brave, Firefox, I think, is the best, they say, but these work on many different browsers. And with the seed phrase that you write down to secure, you'll be able to send your Luna and store it. We already have some stored here, and we will use this. Now, I will try one more time to send, but often there are glitches, hiccups, not in the blockchain itself, but in the interfaces. And it's good to know workarounds. So in this video, you're going to learn some workarounds if you have some of these hiccups. I'm also going to leave a link to Secret Swap. Why? Because one of the first places, we've done a video on this recently, actually a Secret Swap tutorial and a video on a special token that is going to be launched on Secret Swap with Infinity Pool special rewards program. But if you'd like to do something with Luna, and you would like, one of the things that we mention all the time is that if you are in projects and you would like to see them grow, the value grow, then you don't just sit on the sidelines and own it like a stock. Crypto, DeFi, mining, proof of stake, it's all decentralized. It builds value with network effects, Metcalfe's law, with more people joining and growing and adding value. So if you have 100 Luna, you could take a portion of that, whatever your risk tolerance is, 60, 70%, whatever it is that you feel, and you would stake it and leave that. You would take another percent and you would put it on maybe Astroport or TerraSwap and provide liquidity on different protocols on chain. Then if you like seeing things like Osmosis or Secret Swap and promote privacy, and these, you would take some Luna, take over there. And you would say, well, you know what? I also want to help add value to Luna and these other ecosystems, and you could add liquidity there. So that's a neat thing to do, a fun thing to do. And you're actually not just helping others, but you're really adding value to the ecosystem, which in a sense is your own bags. You're pumping your own bags, right? And check out these rewards right now, 100%. Okay. 12x multiplier, right on. And this is where you could take Secret Finance, SEFI, which is the native token, which is about to have that infinity pool, some pretty cool rewards. And you can bond that with S Luna, put it in a pool, and you're ready to go. All right, so now you know where to take that S Luna, and now you know where you probably already have this wallet, just in case. I'll leave it there. And the reality is that this is the wallet. If the reason I showed that first is for those who might have it on a centralized exchange, this is the wallet that you're going to need in order to wrap it. So for all of those who already have a Terra Station wallet and they're ready to start using Secret Network because they're not familiar with Secret Network, before you can wrap, you're going to need a Keplr wallet. That means that if you had Luna on a centralized exchange and you would like to use it on Secret Network and you do not intend to use it on the Luna network at the moment, you could, if you wanted to, send your Luna directly to this Keplr wallet, which I will leave a link for below as well. Now, I already have the Keplr wallet and an instruction on how to start a Keplr wallet, so I won't need to do that. You can check out how to start a Keplr wallet if you need that, but these are pretty basic. And once you've made one Web 3.0 wallet, you can make another one pretty easily. Here's the problem that I've had before recently. Sending from the Terra Station wallet, to sending from the wallet, the password wasn't being recognized. So I'm going to try one more time and see if it's working today. Sometimes you just have to wait a little bit. Not secret. We don't want secret. That's another thing, to make sure you're on the correct chain. Now you download the wallet. Let's say you download the wallet, copy that address. And you'll notice you don't have the Terra chain. It's under beta support. So everything above this line is what your Keplr wallet will come with, all these different blockchains: Atom, Osmosis, Secret, Akash. I'll go into these later, but these are different blockchains that are providing some really great utility value added to the blockchain, to crypto, like decentralized VPN, decentralized web services. Okay, now how would you get Terra? Well, on this wrap Secret Network, which the link will be below, on this wrapper page, you'll hover over this icon where the Luna is, where the arrows are, IBC deposit withdrawal. When you click on that, now I don't have any in this wallet, so it's not registered or anything, but the first time you click on that, your Keplr wallet will pop up and it will say approve, and you will approve it. And that will bring the Luna network onto your wallet. Make sure, of course, that you've got this locked. You're at wrap.secret.network. And, but yes, you'll just approve it. You'll read it, and it's just to accept, and it'll add Luna automatically. So you're good to go. With that Luna address, you can send Luna. It'll hold Luna just like a Terra Station wallet. It's just, they are in many ways synonymous. You could, and I'm going to show you how you can import the keys and use the same wallet on same keys, same crypto address, same crypto wallet on both Web 3.0 wallets, same wallet on both wallets. If you know what I'm saying, if not, I'll show you. Okay, first, let's try to see if we can send out of this wallet. So I'm going to say send. That's 1G3H. I'm pretty sure I did a different one. Let's make sure. Yeah, that's a different one. And let's try the max. And let's see if the password works. It might work. No, it doesn't work. And I'm not sure why, because I have deleted the app, reinstalled it, created a new password. So whether it's with my browser or with this app at the moment, I'm not sure. But one thing to know, if you ever have issues with a password or you forgot a password, as long as you wrote your seed phrase down and you have those 12 words, those 24 words, then it does not matter if you forgot your password or if there's an issue with the password interface, because it's those words that protect your keys. It's these MetaMask or Keplr or Terra Station, a password problem could never prevent you from accessing your crypto. That's important to know. All right, so, oh no, the password's not working. What do I have? What happens? Am I locked in my crypto? How do I engage in DeFi, or how do I do whatever I was going to do? Oftentimes it's in the middle of when you really want to send something that there's a problem. So another trick is, don't wait to the last minute. If you're anticipating to partake in a certain event or project, go ahead and start moving things early and getting ready in case there are hiccups, because like having internet on an airplane, these are very, very early. These networks are still scaling. They're not ready. It's a natural organic process, like a tree growing up. A sapling doesn't just start bearing a bunch of fruit. And we're excited. There's so much potential, and already so much has been built, so more can be seen, but very, very early are we in this development of blockchain. So what do? We come over to the Keplr wallet, and you're going to click add account. And when you click add account, you're going to take your 12 words from the Terra Station wallet, if you're a Terra Station hodler, and you're going to click add account. It's going to take you to a new tab, and you're going to click import existing account, and you're going to paste the private key, come up with a name called like workaround. Ooh, what is that word? How about work around? There we go. Work around lunatic. And then you'll import your phrase and it'll pop right up. And however much Luna you had here, let's go take a look. 0.4963. Okay. All right. Since I've already done this and I wouldn't want to paste the private key live action, that would be a video on what not to do. WBB Terra new workaround. All right, let's click on that. How much is in there? 0.496. Okay, so it's the exact same. So now you understand how that works. It's not, your funds are not in the wallet. Your funds are not in Terra Station. They're not in MetaMask. They're not in Keplr. Your funds are on the blockchain. Someone else who's very good at coding and developing, these are built. I don't know how to say developed. What's the protocols? Or not? Yeah, I guess they're protocols that are developed to allow you to seamlessly click a button, do this, and it's pre-programmed to interact with the blockchain, which anyone technically could do themselves if they knew the code. You could go over to the blockchain and you could type in the code to stake a certain amount, or you could have that code wrapped up into a nice little box. So you just click send. And we're getting there. We are getting there. But if you are brave to help grow value in these networks before we're there, to help these developers and help these teams get there, then there is a potential of riding that wave of value added. We did the workaround. Now you know how the workaround, you know where to get everything. Let's get back over here on the right. We are on the correct wallet now. Okay. Now, I have already clicked this, so I cannot show you. But I can show you here. See where it says, I've already clicked it for Luna. In order for you to see your Luna balance, you will not see it at first. You'll see this little sign that shows a little emoji, a picture of someone with like a monocle, and it says balance. You don't see the balance. You actually have to you have to click to set the viewing key. That's one of the features of this privacy by default smart contract. You have to sign a contract to allow that to be seen. It's not just going to automatically populate. So when you do this process, make sure you come down here where this viewing key is. It doesn't have it now. It says balance 0 because I've already done it, but I can show you what it looks like. I can show you what it looks like here with the secret balance. Let's just do that. The Keplr wallet will pop up. It's going to say secret contract address S secret name, symbol, blah, 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 submit. All right. It's going to cost 10 cents. Create viewing key. So you can read what you're doing. Oh, okay. Create viewing key. Okay. That's not, no problem there. Sure. I approve. I approve. And it's thinking and it's thinking, and it's going to say, you got nothing. Okay. That's all right. But now you see how it works. Now we're going to come over here and troubleshoot this. Now it registers. Okay. So you've sent it to this new wallet, or you've imported it, either way. And if you're going to send it, you created the Keplr wallet. This is your new Keplr wallet you just created so that you can work with secret. You came over here, you click this button so that you can add the Luna network. Now you've got Luna. You copied this address because this will be a new address from a wallet you created if you did not import those keys. You're going to click this address. And if your Terra Station wallet works, then you're just going to come over here and you're going to click send, and you're going to paste that address in that you're sending to, the amount, and that's how you do it. Now, here we go. The key is don't click max. Apparently it might overdo it. These are still early. So to make sure that you have enough for gas fees, don't do the full max. Leave a little bit in the tank and then see how it works. If you don't do the full max, you should not have problems. So let's see how it works, how it thinks. I say this because I attempted this several times last night to do this tutorial and found out it was not as seamless as the secret wrap was. And I said, well, how come this balance isn't showing up? And I keep signing this transaction. And I was told, well, maybe available to deposit. Oh, so it worked. There you go. And that's the trick. Good to know. And I was talking back and forth saying, look, I've done this, it's not working. And that's why it's important to put these videos, because I've been experimenting. This is all educational. You know, that's what you have to do. You have to experiment and see how these things work, test them out. And what was the problem? What was the problem? Well, the problem was I was just trying to send too much. All blockchains need gas. Ethereum, Luna, Secret, they have a gas fee to send. Well, if you press max, depending upon how that max button is set up, it may not automatically leave enough for you to have gas. So there's your workaround. It's usually user error, which it was in this case. It was me not recognizing that I wasn't leaving enough gas. So now you know how to make sure the balance comes through. Okay, now what do? Balance 0.49. We are on Luna on the secret network. Pretty cool, right? But it's not private. It's not S Luna. So what we're going to do now is we're going to come over. We're going to click. I wonder if we can just click you can just click the balance. There you go. Just click the balance button and it just automatically populates. Then you're going to click the wrap button. Ooh, make sure you have some secret token. Make sure if you do not have secret token in your wallet, this will not work. And you're going to get to this point and you're going to say, well, how come it's because you need secret. You have to have secret to work on the secret network. Let me just approve this first. And I may need to approve it. We'll see how busy the blockchain is. If I need to do a high instead of medium gas fee, but that's fine. I can do it again while I explain this to you. Luna, obviously, if you're a lunatic and you've had Luna and you're new to secret and you send Luna to your Keplr wallet, if that same Keplr wallet does not have secret, then you're going to have an issue once you get Luna over here, because you're not going to be able to do anything with it. You're not going to be able to engage in the smart. Look how fast that was. You're not going to be able to engage in the smart contract. So here we go. It's that simple. And now you're ready to rock and roll. So now if we wanted to, we could, I've already done this secret swap video on providing liquidity, but now if we wanted to, and what you can do is you can come over to secret swap, and with that extra secret token that you're going to have, grab a little swap for a little SEFI with secret, scroll on down, and you can find a pool. Which one do they have? SEFI and Luna. Maybe they have a secret Luna as well. I'm not sure, no, SEFI. That's what you want to do. SEFI in Luna. Very cool. I dig it. And I dig how this wrapper works. This is just very innovative, very unique. I love to see how far the secret network has come over the last couple of years, few years. And really, when you look at what's already functioning, what's already built, it's while it's still early, absolutely early, the potential is great. The potential is just mind-boggling. You can come wrap decentralized VPN, Osmosis, some stable coins, Luna, Cosmos, some Atom, of course, Secret, S-Secret, and we will continue to show you more of what you can do with these. You know what to do if you like this kind of content. You can hit the like, subscribe, notification bell, and if you're one of those whales that says, oh man, I've been waiting for someone to show me how to wrap Luna and Secret and add liquidity and rock it over here, I would love to show you a little love and support to help keep this channel going. That beautiful gray wall behind you painted. Well, you know what to do. Scroll down, take a little dippy, find that address for a little tippy. And I think that will cover this video. If you don't know how to get Secret, we've got the video for that, real simple, many different ways. Until the next time, have a beautiful day and namaste, y'all.